Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search engine on TCL 305 into a custom one. So you have to start with opening your Google Chrome, and now you have to go to your custom search engine website, and for this video I will use yep.com. And now you have to search something using your search engine. And now click here and then go to settings. Now click on search engine, and in recently visited you should have no yep.com option, so you can select that and then click back, and as you can see my search engine is now set to yep. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.